Everyone deserves a safe place to live, a place where they feel like they belong. Every family deserves a chance to have their roots started in a place where they can build wealth, they can create a legacy, and that they can just be. Welcome home, everyone. We talk about affordable housing while living here in America. Today, I am going to tell you where they are having a home buying workshop, a program, a place where you can have no down payment, no closing costs or fees, no mortgage insurance, and no consideration of a credit score, and a below market fixed rate of 5.25% for a 30-year fixed loan, or 4.75% for a 20-year fixed loan, or 5.5% for a 15-year fixed loan. Yes, there is such a program out here. It is a program called NACA, that is NACA. It's one of the best in America for getting a mortgage, guys. And a lot of you out there can go from Section 8 to owning your own home right here at NACA. All right. So they're going to have some Achieve the Dream. Yes, Achieve the Dream events coming up here. And Jacksonville, Florida, it will be Friday, September the 19th through Sunday, September 21st. Also in Bowie, Maryland, they have the Achieve the Dream event on Friday, September the 26th through Sunday, September the 28th, guys. We'll talk more about upcoming events coming up here real soon. I ask you to share this video out to people, especially the younger people who are looking for affordable housing, right? They want to have affordable housing because that's what we talk about on this channel on Sundays and Mondays. I ask you to pass it along to the people that are looking to start their roots somewhere with lower interest rates, all right? Without a lot of the red tape to get themselves a home. We'll be talking soon about affordable places to stay right here in America where you can still purchase a home for under $200,000. Yes, there's still some places out there. We'll talk about places that actually will pay you to move there. They're looking for you. They want you to belong there. They want you to start your families there. They want you to bring your talent there. They want you to bring your businesses and remote jobs there. All right. So I ask you to like the videos, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. During the rest of the week, we talk about herbalism and healing. So it's just an informational channel. It's fun. It's creative, all about your well-being. And on my shorts, I just show my real life on the reel. So if you see me cutting up, that's just my real life to kind of let you have a glimpse on who Amisha is. All right. So I will see you guys next time. I want you to be safe out there. I want you to be well out there. I love you so much. And stay tuned to more information, all right, about living in America. You have a right to have a home. Yes, you do.